OD, then I rearrange the frame. 26 is like Namur, they rubbing off the paint. Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's another video from Rams1K TV. And today, I'm in the U-Haul. And we going to Mexico. We driving all the way to Mexico with all our belongings in the car. And yep, I'm moving to Mexico channel. No, I'm talking shit. This is a video putting my Airbnb together. You know what I'm saying? I've been talking about it for a long time. I did a lot of apartment tours, me and DJ, all tours in Atlanta, Miami, San Francisco, where else we go? Orlando, all type of shit. But now is the time. I'm about to put my first one together. And right now I'm headed to go get some furniture. 40 minutes away from the crib. I met her on Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Nice little bit, you know what I'm saying? Put it together or whatever. So she already got it broke down. I'm about to pull up and go buy it. Anybody else interested in doing the Airbnb or does Airbnb, comment below and let me know. But subscribe while you scrolling down to that comment section and come with me to the lady who sells the furniture. If you look in my eyes out, if you know, you know. You know what type of channel this is. Well, broke the little glass they got here. But if they don't know, won't hurt. Cause ain't no more glass.
I got that water on me feet. You got that water on me feet. My bitch not snapping in the light of the city. You gotta get some attention.
Well, chat. Well, 1K gang. As you can see, I'm sweating. I'm tired as hell. 2 days of hard labor. We finally got everything in here. This is my massage bed. Mad as hell. I'm not sleeping on that. But it's cool. It's for the grind. Tempur-Pedic mattress type shit. All my little workroom shit. I still got the gaming desk at the crib. Gotta bring that out, but that's pretty much everything. I'm out the house. That's important. Yeah. So, I'll hit y'all when I'm back at the crib. Show y'all what's going on at the crib. Put that furniture together today. And hopefully it look like a little Airbnb. So, on the way there right now. Let's go. So tired of feeling this crap. Thirsty ass truck. Paint correction on these right here, all the rooms. I'll show y'all though. One thing we can say, the player pad was lit while I was in this bitch. No cap, no cap. Alright, YouTube. Damn near done with the B&B. What I'm about to do, I'm going in here and getting cord covers for the TV so I can hide the cords because I don't like that. And yeah. Might buy some other shit in here too. I don't really like recording on the phone no more. The GoPro so crispy, but I don't got the GoPro, so we on the phone right now. Let's go in here and find this TV cover shit real quick, man. Cause I need to start doing an Airbnb immediately. I need some money. Oh, new house on the way. Oh. Y'all needed that. Y'all know, man, I'm with the wizard, man. Part 70. He's fresh as shit again. Come on, hey, I ain't gonna lie. Every episode. Hey, this nigga gonna say, we gonna play every clip though.
Man, I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
We in this bitch getting the B&B shit, you feel me? Behind the scenes photo shoot. Y'all see him hiding the wires. You did. Just real player. Understand me? Yeah. I quit backwoods. Ah, damn it. I forgot. It's not that type of video. Alright, let's just get back to the Airbnb. Is you gonna hold me down? Day 2 of shooting. you know, out here making it happen. If you ain't making it happen, then I don't know what to say to that, but just know we shooting. Airbnb is launching tomorrow on Thanksgiving, so shit, goddamn. All right, gang. It's the end of the video. It's the end of the day. You see it's dark in here. I'm chilling, vibed up. About to watch some Joe Rogan and shit. Joe Rogan and Spencer. Y'all need to watch these two for sure. Damn near these three: Spencer, Joe Rogan, and CoffeeZilla. You know what I'm saying? That's some knowledge, but that's the end of this video. Airbnb is complete. Pretty much 98% complete. Just got to get rid of some of that stuff. Get rid of this. Gotta have the oatmeal. I done got a little clogged up. Fell asleep with the window open. It got too cold. That's the living room. Boop, boop. Down the room. You feel me? Little hallway, little room. But I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Boop. I never gave y'all the tour of this. But here's the tour now because I'm moving out. I don't live here no more. I couldn't give y'all the tour while I stayed here, bro. It's just the type of city we stay in. I just can't do that. But anywho. Boop. Second bedroom. And you see I got the... See we got... Son of a bitch. Hit my leg on this dumbass bed. But like I was saying, see I got the little reading chair joint, the type shit. You feel me? Little mirror. Just a little mirror. You know? And that's that. Gotta get rid of this, but hey, gotta keep these on deck. Gotta keep these on deck. Come on, man. Gotta keep you a freshie. That ain't got nothing to do with the video. We walk in here, boop. Walk this way to the master. Y'all know this. Shout out Audie Kids. Audie Kizzy. Oh, what is her name? I don't know. But I need her to make another painting. So somebody find her. Audie Kinsey on Instagram. She paint pictures. Boop. Other bedroom. Player pad master. You know. Just something light. Oh. You know this room do that too. Fuck? Oh, okay. DJ cut the light on. Knew my shit worked. Fuck that. But here's the bathroom. Boop. Just something. You peep the details. Self-branding. You gotta brand yourself because ain't nobody else branding your brand. If you ain't branding your brand too. Quote by 1K. Yeah, it's the crib. Got the vibes galore. Yeah, man, I'm just happy. I've been looking into this all year. It's just my first one. Many more to go. Or many more to come. It's one of the two. I ain't do this cold weather shit. Where should I move? Comment below. Where should I move to next and start my next Airbnb? Yeah, man, I'm excited for this journey. We about to go on the Airbnb journey. This is a new chapter in my life. Wrapping the year up. There's no telling what this is going to bring, even though I kind of know. It's going to bring them racks. Yeah. But yeah, man, Rinse 1K out. More reviews coming soon, more videos. I'm about to go crazy. Now I really can lock in. I've been so focused on getting this crib ready. That's why I couldn't post for y'all, but just know, more posts coming soon. And shit, man, road to 20K. Hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving tomorrow, because I'm dropping this today. I made this today and yesterday, but it's dropping right now, so hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving. Shit, see y'all next video. 1K out. Shit. Trying to do these sweet ass outros. Biscuit head ass, sausage head ass, hot pocket head ass, huh?